Basecamp Business App. The pros, the cons. Basecamp Business App is a project management and team collaboration tool designed to keep teams organized and aligned. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only a simple task list. Basecamp combines messaging, file sharing, to-dos, schedules and automatic check-ins into one platform. On the pros side, Basecamp Business provides a centralized workspace for communication and project tracking. Its simplicity and intuitive interface reduce onboarding time, and the automatic check-ins help keep teams accountable without endless meetings. Users appreciate the all-in-one approach that reduces the need for multiple collaboration tools, and unlimited users for a flat fee is a bonus for growing teams. On the cons side, some users feel that Basecamp lacks advanced project management features like Gantt charts, detailed reporting and workflow automation found in other enterprise tools. Teams with complex processes may need additional tools for comprehensive project oversight. In conclusion, Basecamp Business App is ideal for organizations seeking a simple, effective and collaborative platform for project and team management. Its all-in-one design, ease of use, and focus on communication make it a practical choice for teams looking to stay organized and aligned.